Hi, I'm DaRealLesley, and today we're doing an Afrobeat tutorial. Yes, so today we're going to work a little bit on some footwork and some grooves. Okay, so the first one we're going to open up with is boa. So this is how it looks. So to start off with, you're going to do something similar to a heel toe or similar to a pouncing cat, which is actually Amapiano, but you do a heel toe, and again, right foot, left foot. That is your heel only on the foot, then you step back on the toe, heel, toe. As you do that, your arm goes woom, woom, and the other arm just stays still here. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2. Let's add that with the footwork. So we're going to go, so
1, 2, and again, 1, 2.
And then we're going to go fast, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, E, we go 2, E, we go 1, E, go 2, that's it, we go 1, we go 2, E, we go 1. So again, slowly, we're going to go heel toe, E. You can even do it slowly as a little groove and a groove. Then you can go bigger, bigger, E, bigger, bigger, and change the head and double and ha. So next up is the famous butterfly. So for this one, you start off with stepping on your left leg, stepping on your right, on the heel of the foot, and then you're going to twist. Now, this is sort of similar to Habawena, except it goes the other direction. All right, so Habawena is this way. And this one is this way. Yes, so it goes towards your right. So you're going to go step, step, boom. So as you step in with that left, you twist your toe out. So again, step, step on your heel, move. Again, boom, boom, move. So to do it a bit faster, you're going to do the jump and the heel at the same time. You're going to go boom, ha, boom, ha. Yes, the twist is by itself. And again, boom, ha, boom, ha. So what we're going to do is again, step, heel, twist. As you twist, you step in, boom. Yes, again, step, heel, twist, and again,
Step, heel, twist. One more time. Step, heel, twist. That's
it. And now we're going to go a bit quicker. So we're going to go boom, ha, ha. And again, boom, ha, ha. And again, boom, ha, ha. Boom, ha, ha. So it's actually harder slow. It's easier when you do this faster. So we're going to pump up the speed a little and go a bit faster. Now, another thing you can add is adding the full leg as you bring it in. You can make it small and just go heel, or you can add the leg and sort of unfold it down, right? That looks like this. Yes, so it just makes the movement a bit bigger. So again, we're going to do a bit bigger version, the bigger and louder version. We're going to go
boom, unfold, heel. Boom, unfold, heel.
That's it. And small one, and that's the butterfly. So next up, we have side to side. So this one is great for freestyles and traveling steps too. So this one, you're going to start off with going step on that ball, and then you're going to go heel and bring your weight down. Again, step on the heel, on the ball, my bad, and then you're going to go heel down. As you do that, you're going to step back on yourself, step out. That's it. And again, toe, heel, step back, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let your weight drop with you. And again, we're going to try on the left. We're going to go ball, heel, step back, and again, ball, heel, step back. See how it travels already? So you're going to go ball, heel, ha, ha, ball, heel, ha, ha.
Heel, tap, tap,
Ta, ta, e, ta, ha, 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 e, ta, ha, 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 ha. Yes? So lastly, we're going to finish up with cross leg. So literally this one is where you cross your legs and it looks very impressive, okay? So first off, you're going to have a wide stance again, and then you're going to go ha, yes? You're going to flick your leg with your heel, vroom. As you step back, you step on the other leg. Right, so you go vroom, ha, ha. Again, flick, step, step. Other side, flick, right leg. On the top, so you do a nice flick, flick, step, step, flick, step, step. There's always 2 steps in between, so you're going to go
flick, step, step, flick, step, step, flick, step, step, flick, step, step.
And your body is nice and relaxed and your weight is forward, so you can move your feet nice and quickly off the floor, okay? Now I'm doing a little side sway thing with my arms just to make it easy for my legs to move from side to side. So you're going to go flick, step, step, flick, step, step, like that. Ready? A bit faster, and vroom, ha, ha, vroom, ha, ha, vroom, ha, ha, vroom, ha, ha. And you want to invert your feet as much as you can. Once you get used to that, ta, 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 you can go faster. So let's try them all together. So first off, we did boa, 1, A2, A3, A4, A ha, ha. Then we did side to side, ta, e, ta, e, ta, e, ta, e. Then we did butterfly. So butterfly is E, the small one, the bigger one, yes? Then lastly we did cross leg, which is this one. For more tutorials, I'll be right back with another one very soon. So do like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next one.